Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax printing issues step by step. Yeah, if you're trying to print your tax return and it's not working, freezing, or showing errors, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need a physical copy, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you go through a few checks. So first, make sure your printer is properly connected and turned on. Check both your USB or Wi-Fi connection and confirm the printer is set as your default device. Next, try printing a test page outside of TurboTax. Yeah, this helps confirm whether the issue is with your printer or the software itself. After that, restart both your computer and printer. Sometimes temporary glitches can block print jobs, and a quick restart can fix that instantly. Also, make sure your printer drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues and prevent TurboTax from printing correctly. And yeah, if you're using TurboTax online, try downloading your return as a PDF first, then print it from your PDF viewer. This often works better than printing directly from the browser. Finally, check your TurboTax software is updated as well. Updates can fix bugs related to printing errors. Most of the time, these steps will get your documents printed without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.